welcome back to my channel. I am Lerny. How you doing? It's been a while since I posted. It's been a long while. It's been a long while. It's been a little while. Anyhow that you want to put it, it's been a while, okay? It has been a while, but I'm back. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. Today I'm excited about the video because I'm using a new product. It's a Ghanaian brand and I'm excited about it. And so yes, continue watching to see what that product is, but I love it because the pigmentation is dope, okay? And you can create a lot of looks with it. But yeah, I'm serving you this look today. As always, I love creating the looks for you. I hope you are able to learn a thing or two from it. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time watching, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to also click on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime and every time that I post a video. Yes guys, thanks for tuning in again and let's get into it. So we are starting with a fresh face. I'm going to use my Carmex to moisturize my lip. I do this all the time, and I'm going in with this Revolution Baking Oil, which is going to serve as a moisturizer, primer, and an illuminator. I'm going to push that into my skin, not forgetting my neck, okay, very important. And then use this Huda Beauty foundation. This is in Mocha or 500G. See, I was asking why it wasn't pumping, and I was wondering. I had to shake it to be sure if there was some in it, and when I opened it, guys, there's a lot of foundation in there. I just didn't know why the pump wasn't working, so I decided to apply it directly. So that's what I did, and then I went in to use this Ulta Beauty foundation brush to bead that or staple that into my skin. So I'm stapling most of the products, just focusing it in the middle of my skin and then flicking it out when it gets to the end. And I'm going to use my beauty blender. I do this all the time to just go over the foundation, okay? It just helps blendability. I'm going to use this Zikel concealer, the two actually. I'm trying it for the first time. So the darker one is in caramel and then the lighter one is in honey. So I'm using the caramel first. So wherever you highlight, under your eyes, chin, cupid's bow, bridge of nose and forehead, just like you're seeing me do, I'm just going to go in with the beauty blender again, just so that when I do this, it just helps not to pick up products, okay? For the beauty blender not to pick product from my face, you know. Yes, so I'm just going to blend the edges first and then go into blend. Just make sure that you have no harsh lines. Harsh lines are not allowed. And I'm going in with the lighter shade, just concentrating that right in the corner of my eye. I like how this concealer blends. I think it's very drying, so you shouldn't wait too long to blend it out. So yeah, but the coverage is really good. I love the coverage. I was seeing a lot on Instagram, so I just gave it a shot and I think I love it. Going in with this Huda Beauty in Kunafa setting powder, I'm going to push in to set all over where I use my concealer and then contour using my Covergirl Ebony bronze to contour the hollows of my cheeks and my forehead. And then I'm going in with a smaller brush, this from Evita Joseph, to just contour my nose. Now I'm cleaning up using the same Huda Beauty Kunafa powder. I'm just going to properly clean up the sides of my nose and then bake under my eyes, my nose, and then reverse contour. Now for reverse contour, look at me, I was enjoying some music which I can't let you listen to, else copyright. So I'm using the So Aesthetic brush and powder. The powder is in warm bronze. I'm just going to dust off that and reverse contour and then see how smooth that is. Go in and do my brows, okay? For my brows, I just brush it through and then brush on top of it, right? That's it. And then I'm going to outline first, so outline the bottom first and then outline the top and lightly fill it in. So I'm just outlining the top now, okay, and then I'm going to fill it in now, just lightly. I just fill in like 3/4 way to the tail and then brush through it so that the product is properly distributed in my brow. I'm just showing you the products I'm using. I'm going to go in with that same brand's brow mascara. That's what I'm using throughout my brow now, and then again brushing it through for proper distribution of products. And then I'm going to conceal using the Zikel concealer, the darker one that's in caramel, just cleaning under my brow and then dragging that concealer down to blend. And I'm going to use a little bit of powder to set that concealer. So yes, this is the highlight of today, Jessica and Evita Joseph. So let me just read the memory verse. It says, in the same way, let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. Matthew 5:16. Guys, you need this that's a concealer eyeshadow palette. I'm so proud of Jessica. Like, this is amazing. The pigmentation, guys, the pigmentation. And I like the colors as well, because you can use it if you want to go colorful, you can use it if you want to go neutral. I'm using this concealer that I made up myself. It's the LA Girl white concealer and then Benai Clown white. So look at that. I just dipped in once and then I dipped in again, and it blends so well, guys, the blendability. So I think the first shade I used was December, and then after that what I'm using now is Truth. Okay, I'm just going to use that to darken my outer corner, and then going back in with the brush that I used first just to, you know, properly blend it. And then I'm going to use my finger. I'm going for a blown out look, so I find that my finger, you know, helps me a lot. So I'm going to use that and then go in with, this is called Hot Tea. So I just used 3 colors, December, Truth, and Hot Tea. So I'm just going to tap and then I'm now just properly blending, going in with that fair shade that is December as that middle point. Look, I'm feeling myself. Yes. I'm going with the soft eyeliner pen to line my eyes. I'm just going to outline properly and then start to fill in now. And then I'm going in with this Gillette Ibrahim eyelash. This is in Horse. It's actually shades by Gillette Ibrahim. So yeah, fix the lashes, make sure that the corners are properly fixed, and that's it. I'm using this Evita Joseph highlighter brush to dust off the excess powder under my eyes and on my nose, and I'm going in with this Becca highlighter to highlight. So this is an opal, so I'm highlighting the highest point of my cheeks, my chin, Cupid's bow bridge, tip and bridge of my nose, my brow bone, which you can't do without. Now I'm going in with this So Aesthetic blush. I love this blush. Is a big blush called Nectar. Yeah, I'm using this on my nose. Learned this from Mufida Gold Muslima. Learned this too using the glue from Gold Muslima as well. I find that it helps your brow stay intact. Okay, you don't even need that much. So onto my lips, I'm using this NYX lip gloss. Is a butter gloss in Ginger Snap, and then I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Toffee. Is a gloss. Fixing my earrings now. Ooh, I look good. Oh, look at that. Sis is feeling herself. These earrings are from Lavish Finds on Instagram. I'll leave all the products I used down below, guys. But yes, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. That brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you have watched to this point, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. Okay, and so you know that you can watch my other videos, right? Just click away. I have a few videos that you can still watch and enjoy. Okay, and so watch that, and then while at it, just keep your fingers crossed for more videos in subsequent weeks. Bye. Mwah.